In this video, I will show you how to connect TeamViewer mobile to mobile. So first things first, make sure that you have it installed on both your mobile. You can head right here to your Play Store and make sure to go over to this TeamViewer and make sure to install it. From in there, make sure to open it and then you should be able to see in here the screen. Just accept in here the actual toggle button, consent to this one as well as this one, and also this until this. And click onto this agree and continue. So you can see in here all of its actual options. You can click onto this get started and then you can allow option. Now from in here you can go and then click onto this remote control or file transfer, but make sure to input right here first your partner ID. So if you have another mobile, input right here the ID that you're looking for. In order to see where it is, you can head right here to this gear icon, and you can see in here some options like remote cursor, quality, and the likes. If you want your partner ID, you can head over to your computer and make sure to log in order to have it already for you. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.